Hi everyone! Welcome again to another edition of Campo Charlie Vlogs. Today we have visited one of the well-known restaurants here in Binondo, Manila. This is LGA Fast Food, commonly known as Estero Fast Food. So this is located on one of those esteros along the Ongpin Street. You can actually search it by Waze or pwede naman kayo magtanong-tanong pagdating nyo sa Binondo Church in Santa Cruz. Walang parking dito. You can park on the street side. Pwede din kayong mag-commute, mas masaya. And please don't get intimidated when you see that it's along or beside the creek. Actually, masaya dito. Malinis ang pagkain. Nakita nyo naman, ang daming tao kahit Sunday afternoon. And there's a section where you can see how they prepare the food. Meron silang parang open kitchen along the counter area. So you can pause here to review their menu. Napaka-affordable, ang daming choices. Tip, magbaon kayo ng pamaypay lalo na kung tanghali. If you're taking your lunch here, walang aircon and it can get crowded especially on peak hours. Ito yung mga in-order namin. Ayan, hototay soup, fried rice, I think it's yang chow. Then meron ding beef with broccoli, merong steamed lapu-lapu and pansit. Tuloy mo lang yan. Overall, masarap naman talaga yung pagkain. Sakto lang siya, hindi masyadong maalat, hindi matabang. Yung lapu-lapu lang, no, wag kayong mag-expect na sobrang laki niya. Actually, yung size niya is parang tilapia siya. Yung normal na tilapia. Yung yang chow, maraming sahog, malinamnam. Yung hototay soup, mainit. Bagong luto. Hindi naman siya matabang and di rin siya maalat. Marami lang talaga siyang sabaw. Okay, time for dessert. Dito naman tayo sa Salazar Bakery. Actually, maraming bakery dito sa Binondo, sa Chinatown. Karamihan dito yung mga nagtitinda ng hopia like Holland, Ingbitin. Pero napili namin dito sa Salazar kasi isa ito sa mga classic bakeries here. Still along Ongpin. Halos katabi siya nung Power Max Center. Lampas lang nung Estero. Dami nilang tinda, oh. Actually, hindi lang tinapay yung paninda dito. Meron din akong mga nakitang palaman, of course. And those fillings, pwede rin gawing ulam. Like yung mga Spanish sardines. Alam ko, nilalagay natin sa kanin yan, bukod sa tinapay. At pag pumunta naman tayo dito sa kanilang ref, you will notice a lot of other items aside from their drinks. They have here some leche flan. They have here different flavors of gulaman. Napakakulay nila. And napansin ko rin, no, iba-iba yung label. Kakaiba yung mga brand ng kanilang drinks. I think it's imported. And pro tip, when you're buying bread, make sure to check the expiry date. Not because you're doubtful of the bakery, lagi namang fresh pagka galing sa bakery, but it's for you to enjoy the bread while it's fresh. Kasi nga baka ma-stock natin siya at makalimutan na natin. Pag binalikan natin, expired na pala. Sayang lang. Yan na. So talagang malulula kayo sa dami ng mga bread and pastry products dito sa Salazar. Nakakatuwa kasi yung packaging nila, ang ganda din. Pwedeng-pwede mo siyang ibaon. Pwedeng-pwede din natin siyang ipasalubong. They are individually wrapped and it's sealed to ensure freshness. And lahat yan, merong mga labels ng expiry date. Meron sila doon pinaskill na bagong format for you to review. Ayun, marami pa sana kaming pupuntahan kaso medyo ginabi na kami. Ito yung Eng Bitin, famous coffee house, maraming branches dito sa Binondo. Ito naman yung Sincerity. Past 6 PM sarado na sila, so agahan nyo. Famous chicken house here in Binondo. That's it. Please don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our upcoming travel, camping, and honest reviews. Until next time mga ka-campers, God bless!